Hey guys, it's Wes with Auto Technology Repair and Highline Car Care. Today we've got a Sync 2 unit out of a 2010 Lincoln MKX. It's got a black screen on the navigation display. Doesn't light up, essentially just looks like that when the vehicle's running. So what we're going to be doing today to repair that, we're going to replace the LCD and digitizer assembly along with the circuit board for the LCD. So getting started here, I've taken the liberty of already removing these 4 Phillips head screws. Once those are removed, you're just going to pull this up gently and set that aside. From there, we've got 4 Torx head screws that hold this assembly together, which I've already removed as well. So once you unbolt this, you're going to be careful because, as you'll see, that's where your circuit board is hanging out. So we're just going to remove these 4 Torx screws to separate the circuit board. Alright, now we can set this back housing aside. From here, we've got 4 smaller Torx screws that we need to remove. So once we've unbolted this, it'll come free. However, you see the ribbon cable is stuck in there, so we're going to want to unlatch this just by flipping it upwards. That's going to allow us to release this. Set that aside. Alright, so now we're to the point here where we've got the parts separated that we're going to be replacing. Going back together obviously be the opposite of this. This is something that you'd like to have done for you. You can ship your unit to us. Check us out at autotechnologyrepair.com. Thank you.